Well, I spoke with immigration attorneys today who tell me there is a lot of misinformation floating around online right now, and that it's important that you speak with a reputable lawyer so you can understand your rights should you come into contact with ICE. William Vasquez has been a practicing immigration attorney since 2011, and he's been following what's happening across the country, specifically in Los Angeles.
Obviously, we have to deal with the issue with immigration. But when you're going after families and children and people that are not criminals, then it becomes a different topic, a different subject, and is it who we are as Americans?
The Raleigh-based attorney has been focused on making sure his clients have the information they need should they find themselves in limbo with ICE. He says he's even seeing cases where undocumented immigrants aren't always being given due process, based on a reported loophole that allows the government to deport those who have been here for less than 2 years.
These people have done what they needed to do. They have gone to court, they have filed their asylum, and what they're doing is they're closing their cases, taking that protection of that asylum away from them, and then they're being picked up as soon as they're walking out the court and being removed without having that due process.
It's a headache that even attorney Rebecca Grafton says must be fixed within the system.
If you ask any of my clients, I'll tell them we're working in a broken system, but we have to work with what we have.
So she's been letting her clients and other immigrants know what rights they have.
The answer about whether you have to answer the door for ICE, you definitely don't have to answer the door for ICE. If you're out in public and ICE walks up to you, you don't have to identify yourselves to them. And the most important question is, where were you born? Because as soon as you've told an ICE officer that you were born somewhere other than the United States, that gives them jurisdiction to move forward with determining what your immigration status is.
And both Rebecca and William say that there is a lot of information out there, and it is pertinent that you speak with an attorney, especially if you have questions, so you can best understand how to navigate the judicial system. In downtown Raleigh, Dewan Hogard, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.